Okay, this is a small short update on the digger. I have made some actuators. And I have put them on. So far pretty good. It's pretty strong. Working out the proper gear ratio and thread pattern was the tricky part. But for the most part, it's digging pretty good. Right now I'm going to be working on these. Make some metal parts for those. Because I already made this. This is going to replace that. So I was doing as much as I can for now. And right now I'm starting to work on these parts here. And I'm going to get my screw drive set in, which I have already working out there. I am worried that these motors are not fast enough. Might need new motors to make it move at proper speed. Well, I'm going to figure this out slowly. Alright, so moving further along, I managed to make these pieces. Got rid of those other ones. Mounted this here. I keep going. I gotta make the engine mount, the bracket for there. I see now in the future I'm going to take this, after making a new arm, I'm going to be putting this underneath here, and this connecting from here to the motor. But as for now, I'm going to keep going, so all I have to do is wind up just making a new arm that can fit the geared motor inside here facing down. But that's the update for now until I get more done. Take care.